Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu and you know me for a lot of automation with UiPath. We have the Salesforce connector, ServiceNow connector, Jira connector, and so on. I have a lot of videos with learn UiPath in 5 minutes. So today we'll talk about cases, and we start from a comment from a user that used my videos, and he asked me how to create a comment inside of a case. And I talked with him, and he found a solution. And I want to implement this solution. So thank you deeply for this solution. So let's understand what's the idea. So the idea is like this. We'll go here inside of Salesforce and we'll go to cases and we'll write for case. We'll search for a case, for example, this one. And inside of this case, I want to create a comment on this case, okay? Good. For other stuff that you want to do with Salesforce with cases, you have here videos with how to download attachment from an email that is inside of the cases, how to send an email with a case using quick action. So search inside of my YouTube channel and you'll find multiple videos about this one with how to work with cases. But today we'll talk about how to create a comment. So being able to create a comment, he find a solution here, and basically you have REST, you send a comment to the this REST API point, and you provide him the parent ID, and you have to the comment body. Let's see how we implement this. So I implemented it in 2 ways. First, I implemented it with UiPath with my activity. So basically, if you go here inside of the all activities and you write Salesforce, you have the UiPath team activity, yeah? UiPath team activity that is made by me, and you have around 100 activities here. Good. So after you have this activity, you will drag and drop the application scope. You configure the application scope with all the details, and you make a test connection. So basically, you'll see that you have a connection to the Salesforce system. Now you have to understand what you search. So you first, for a specific case, to be able to write a comment, a comment to a case, basically you have here a table that is called case comment. You see here, and you can get the data to understand what are the fields for this case comment. So these are the fields for the case comment, and let's see how this is looking. So basically, if I search for the case comment, I don't have an where, and here I can go, and you know that the system has a system to help you. So basically, I want the ID, I want the parent ID, and I want the body, and so on. So he will complete automatically, he will add automatically the data for me. So if I run the command, you will see that I have here multiple comments, because remember that I have that comments on the case, and you have here the case ID, the parent ID, the case ID, and here is the comment ID. Yeah. So that's the way how to see the data. But I just want to show you how you get this data with case ID. Now, to be able to send data on this one, you have send REST API comments. So basically, inside of the UiPath team Salesforce extension package, you will use this send REST API command. Yeah. So you have the send REST API command, and the command will be, so basically you have service data version, and then you have object will be case comment. On this case comment, you have to provide him a JSON. So this is the JSON. To be able to build JSON, I have dedicated videos that allow you to build JSON. So just write here JSON, and you'll find dedicated videos on this. Yeah. And here you will see how to create very fast JSON, and this is creating very fast JSON using the Visual Basic.net. So basically, with using the Visual Basic.net, you can create fast JSONs, and you have all the codes here. So all the examples with codes how to create Visual Basic.net. So here, basically, I create my JSON. I put the parent ID, the ID of the case. So the ID of the case, you can get it with that wizard, or you can go here inside of the case, and you can see here on the top on the web page that this is the ID of the case. Yeah, and then I have to provide him the comment body. So let's say YouTube test, and let's put also the hour. So it's 11:40. the comment to API call. Okay. Then we'll see the response. So let's run this one. And let's see what's happened. I have an output without errors, with success. And if we go now on this one and we send a refresh, you see test YouTube, add comment, and so on. So basically, that's the idea with the connector. So on the connector, you just indicate this one, and then you build the JSON like this. Yeah, that's the structure of the JSON with the parent ID and comment body. If we want to do this via REST API, and we have multiple videos with REST API on my channel, so you will go here and you can write raw Salesforce, for example, and you'll see that I have video how to send raw commands to Salesforce, how to download, to authenticate everything. And here it's a list with all the raw commands that I sent to Salesforce. All the, and you have also the list here with all the comments. So you have all the list of the comments. Let's see how we'll do this with the raw comments. So basically, I do HTTP request. To be able to use HTTP request, you have to add on your project Web API, UiPath Web API activities. Okay, and after you add API activities, first you have to do the authentication, so to get your token. So here you have to provide not headers, you have to provide parameters. So you will provide some parameters here with user, password, security token, client ID, and so on. So this is the way how you provide parameters. After you get the parameters, you will deserialize the JSON. And on the next one, when you make the interrogation, you will say user instance. So the authentication provide you also the user instance. And you see here I call services data version saved object case comment. Yeah. And here on the body, I have the same body with, let's say, YouTube raw REST API. Yeah, like this. Okay. So this one with the JSON better in the headers, you will have the beer token, the access token that you will get from the first HTTP. So basically here you will have the raw command that will create the same comment inside of the case. So I'll hit run. Here you see the response with Soxafo. And let's see here inside of the Salesforce interface. I have a new comment that is what was raw REST API on 1142. Okay, so this is the way how you comment to a case. Yeah. So remember, you have to use this table case comment and extract the case number from here. You can extract from the web page, or if you want on REST API, you will do a get on the REST API. So thank you very much for the replying, deeply for replying to this question and give feedback. As usual, if you like my videos, please come and subscribe to my channel and comment to my videos and tell me what else you want to see inside of my my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye bye.